Good morning, class. Today we will learn math. Scott, what's his 7 plus 2?
Mr. Hernandez, can I use the bathroom?
Sure, but be back.
Ha, what fools. Now to carry all evil plan and pull the fire alarm.
What's that sound, Miss Green? I'm scared.
Don't worry, Classic Caillou is tough.
Yes, Classic Caillou, please don't tell.
That's bad. That's it, Scott. I'm better turn off the fire alarm. Miss Green, who activate the fire alarm? Scott did it.
Thank you, Classic Caillou. Have a nice day.
Bye, Miss Green.
Good day, Classic Caillou. What's wrong?
Scott, who did it to pull alarm?
Can I tell the conference to come?
Sure, Jessica.
Oh. Scott, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. Go home.
Scott, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. Go to room right if Astros Gasters King now. The end.